Hello everyone, my name is Guru Nayak. I am from Maharashtra. Currently I am studying KP Astrology and Lal Kitab Basic course with the Joy Sir at vedicastro.in. So today I am here to share some of my views on what exactly happens inside Vedic Astro classroom. There are lots of points to discuss on, but let's focus on some of the key highlights. The very first thing that comes to a mind of a student when he wants to take up any course is what exactly is the curriculum or the course that is being undertaken by him at any particular class. So at a Vedic Astro, the Joy Sir has a very wide variety of courses that are offered. There are lots of courses on a KP, from KP Basics to Advanced. KP Timing of Events is recently launched. KP Horary Workshop is a grand success. The KP Matchmaking is there. Apart from KP, there are courses on Lal Kitab Basics, Advanced. There is a Vedic Astrology Basic course. There is Astronumerology, and Mobile Numerology is also offered by Joy Sir. The very good thing about Vedic Astro class is what I personally like is the Mega Bundle course. Mega Bundle course, as its name is really a mega thing. It is a huge thing. It has almost everything that is being offered by Joy Sir under KP section. At a one click, you get everything under the course of a KP. It's a kind of a bundling of all the courses. So you get everything under Mega Bundle. So I personally use it and I have benefited very much from it. The next point is how the classes go on. So at a Vedic Astro, the classes are very interactive. The Joy Sir takes every effort to get everyone involved in the class, in the discussion, so that no one is left behind. So you will never feel that teacher is teaching something and students have no idea exactly what's going on. So there is every possible effort made to clear every point. There are lots of question and answer sessions that go on. There is a WhatsApp question and answer forum is there. So he makes sure that every doubt is solved at exactly the same point or a day in advance, so that the points are very clear and you have no doubt about any concept. What actually satisfying experience at Vedic Astro is the extensive use of a technology that is taken care by Joy Sir. So the web portal is very handy. There is a very good one-click access to all the content that you actually opt for. The recordings have very good video and audio quality, so actually you'll never feel that it is a virtual classroom. You get very high quality video recordings for whatever the classes you opt. So it is overall very satisfying experience. The very important thing that comes to your mind is the pricing. Yes, I agree that pricing may seem a bit high, but I'm saying it may seem that pricings are high, but whenever you will dig deeper and deeper into it, you will actually come to realize that the pricings are not actually that high and you are getting more than what you actually paid for. And to tackle with the pricing issue, Joy Sir has come up with a very good idea. He comes up with very attractive and discounts and offers at every festive season. So he tries to give you the best that he can deliver. So I personally have benefited from it. I purchased a KP bundle, Mega Bundle course during Navratri offer, where he offered me at a very discounted price, and also he offered me the mobile astrology course with it. So overall, my experience at a Vedic Astro class is very satisfying. Joy Sir is a very good teacher. He has a very deep knowledge of the subject, and he tries to give everything that he knows to his students. A very good habit of a Joy Sir that I personally feel is I came across is he tries to learn new things, and he tries to experiment whatever he learns. And a very good thing is he also gives everything that he learns to his students. He never keeps any secret. So the learning and the knowledge that once you join with a Joy Sir, the learning never stops. The knowledge comes in and you will actually never feel bored, and you will learn everything new every day. So currently Joy Sir is working on his examination portal and certification kind of thing. So hopefully it will come soon. So Joy Sir, we are waiting for it, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Keep learning, keep teaching us. We have very high hopes from you, and overall wish you all the best. Thank you.